everyone, it's Fjordström. We're just 17 days away from WWDC 2020, and maybe just like me, you're looking forward to iPadOS 14 with new features, a new home screen, new redesigned home screen, widgets that you can place anywhere. That would be really cool, but there are just two things that I still actually need to grab my MacBook for. Number one is Final Cut Pro. It would really be cool if I can get it here, but there's a second feature that I'd like to see in iPadOS 14, and that is external monitor support. I'd like to use my monitor as a second screen for my iPad. I mean, open an app on there while I'm working something totally different over here. Now there is a workaround. There's Shift Screen, which is an awesome app. Definitely check it out. My review is here on top. But of course it would be nice to still use the full screen of my iPad. So this video is a concept video of how I see extended monitor support on iPadOS 14. Hopefully on iPadOS 14. First of all, let's connect my monitor now to my iPad. So just like this, and probably just like, yeah, there we go. Just like you experience now, you get this blue thing over here telling you that you're connected to a dock or to a monitor. Now it would be nice if I can just tap on that. So just tap on this, and then I would get the option mirror screen or extend screen. Currently it's a mirror screen, which is still actually needed if you like want to show something with your Apple Pencil, you want to draw, and your audience is watching through a projection system, then you of course still want to mirror your screen. On the other hand, if you want to extend your screen, that would be cool if you could extend it. Just click here on extend. And then now my monitor over here is showing, if I just do like this, the same wallpaper from my iPad is now on the screen, and my dock as well. So my dock is also over there. Now it could be that they might not add a dock. If ever they add this kind of function, at least it's possible that this dock will not be there, but it would really be cool if the dock would also be there, so you can just open apps on the left side. Or even with the dock, it would be fun if the following was possible. Let's open Pages. What I'll do right now is, with my pointer here, I will grab that gray thing. The gray thing you probably recognize from split screen, so you can grab a window and drag it from left to right. That would be nice if it's there permanently, or at least while it's connected to a monitor. And that thing you can just grab and then drag it over there to the monitor. So this here is how I would do it with your pointer over here. Let me just show you now. I'll just go there, up there, and if you grab it, just like if you would in split screen, currently in 13.4 or 13.5 already, then you get this screen over here. So with the logo, and they can move this thing freely and then move it all the way here to your monitor. So let's just do that now. Just like this. Okay, so currently now here I have Pages here on the top, while I'm back at my home screen here on my iPad. And as you notice, there are no black bars on the left and right, which means that that app developers would have to add external monitor support to their apps. You cannot expect an app to just automatically adjust itself to a external monitor. So that's something now that you will have to update. If you'd open an app that doesn't support it yet, let's say Word for example, then I think I will just imagine that it would still be possible to drag your window from your iPad to your monitor, but then that there would be black bars. So that's something that even with the black bars, it would be already a very nice feature that we could just use two screens separately. Currently my cursor is active on this monitor, so if I start typing on my iPad, if I just type over here right now, then you can just type there on the screen, while on your iPad you can just see something else, another app or a movie while you're watching a movie, for example, or listening to music. So this here would be cool if you could really actively use your monitor as well as a second screen. Let's go back now to my iPad. Here we go. Now in the beginning of my video, I showed you that there was like a blue button over there you could press to change between mirroring and extending your screen. Now, of course, that blue thing will disappear. Imagine that blue thing there all the time. So an option is to add a menu in Control Center. So for example, here, I have here now this button over here. If I would long press on that, then I'll get this pop up, just like screen recording and other menus in Control Center. Currently it's on mirror screen. Now if I would tap here now on extend screen, then it should go back to extend screen, and then now my monitor is back. So now it's there again, extend screen is on, and then now I can just continue working in Pages. What do you think of this idea, or do you have other suggestions to make this even more user-friendly? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget also to hit the like button and subscribe, and feel free to share this video with other people online that are also interested in iPadOS 14. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.